everyone, it's Tammy, and today I have an unboxing of a package from the Planner's World. I know that I have ordered things from them before, and I believe I've done an unboxing, but I don't think I've done one recently, although I did have a bigger haul earlier, so you might see some of these planners, or some of these type of stickers in my Plan With Me videos. How cute is that? I love the fun washi. That's really cute. I'm going to save that one, putting it on my tripod. And then it says the Planner's World, and they kind of have the little sloth as their mascot or whatever. So first I have a postcard that says happiness is homemade. How cute. And then the Planner's World, thank you. Super cute. And here's a little sampler. Love it. I love the little bat too. And the little, I think this is a newer animal, the little chick, and it's a mermaid chick. And then Halloween, Witch's Day Out. Oh goodness, and then I got a watermelon one too. How cute. I was lucky. That's really cute. And I did order a Hobo kit. This one is Witch's Day Out, so maybe that goes with this. I bet this goes together. So it's really cute. Has the little witches on a broom, little flowers, weekend, all the little boxes. It's adorable. And I am going to just put this on the back. And you know what? I'm going to use that same washi that I was just putting up. Sorry if I'm moving y'all around. Might not seem like I'm sorry since I keep doing it, but I'm trying to stop it and I'm making it worse. And then I have this one that's called Be a Mermaid, and it has cute little mermaid. I love this, where it has her tail and then her head, so it's like she's in the water. And then this is really pretty with the little tail sticking out. Adorable. And Peekaboo in the Tulips. I love the little critters. Adorable. And then this one is called Here Kitty Kitty, which I think is based on the Tiger King, but I'm not sure. But it's pretty funny and it's cute. I like the leopard. And then finally, this one is Forest Babes, and it has the cute little critters, and it's very minimally colored. Sorry, my lighting is just not good this time of day, I guess. I'm trying to work on it a bit, but I don't know. Well, that didn't help. I just knocked that one down. Oopsie. There, that might help. So that's really cute. So I got that one called Forest Babies, Here Kitty Kitty, Peekaboo in the Tulips, Be a Mermaid, and Witch's Day Out. So check out the Planner's World. I think that you will like it. I know that she has beautiful stuff, and I'm always happy with my purchases from her. So take care. Bye-bye.